Hi there, thank you so much for joining. This is Mubashir. I'm a professional project manager and having 13 years of overall experience. Throughout my career, I worked for different kind of projects from designing, commissioning, execution projects, and reporting. I have also worked as a planner and scheduler for multiple different kind of organization that covers from oil and gas, IT industry, now AI industries, and a lot of other kind of industries with capacity building. So while working on a project, one software I would highly recommend to all the project managers to have a good command on that so that you can have a better understanding of your project and you can take better decisions, and that is Microsoft Project. So this project will help you understand your task management, resource management, cost management, and you can do baseline versus actual at any time, and you can calculate multiple different kind of variances so that you can understand your project current situation and you can foresee the better indices like cost performance indicator and schedule performance indicator, and you can have a better very good presentation of the project as well. And throughout the learning of this course you will automatically get more confidence on your project management skills. So in this course I will cover all the basics to advanced levels of the project management through MS Project. Alongside with that, I can also teach about the practical aspect of project management. Like we do study the theory of the project management, but when we talk about the practical implementation of the projects, that is a different ball game. And since projects are very expensive and normally we don't have much time to express and calculate and try things in the project, so it can only be achieved by two things. Maybe you can have a lot of time spending on your project, or you can talk to someone who has already spent that much time on projects. So I can be helpful in that scenarios if you are wanted to learn about project management principle in a practical aspect through covering of the software as well. We can do the better sessions on that one. So join the sessions, we can get together. Thank you so much.